Everything looking good today. Got a fair bit done. Boarded out, frame at back, all clamped up. I put the bed base on, all insulated. Good insulation at the back of there. The 25mm insulation I've got for that. Yeah, these woods here. Oh. These, there weren't any. What I'll have to do is cut some corners for here. Yeah. Once the board's on, put the board on. I've got some 45-degree angle pieces that will go right along there, and then down to bed for that bit of an angle thing. So hopefully, I've got grandson tomorrow. So, Ollie, say hello. Say hello. Yeah, bit of bracing up there. Oh, the window. It's great, excellent condition, everything, but there is a slight difference in the hook for the hinge. But what I'm going to try and do is find a 1995 Luna caravan with same size window and ask if they've got the rail that it hooks onto. That's all I've got to report today. But I'm happy with that. I think tomorrow it'll be boarded out and everything. Get the rubber on. I might attempt to put the window in, I don't know yet. Right. Managed to get some insulation in. I don't know if I've done the right thing or not, but I used adhesive to put the insulation on. Get it more rigid. This isn't an advertisement, by the way. Right, yeah, I had to make these, so I can't do anything regarding window until they're set. Took ages. Anyway, we're getting somewhere. Right, bit of a surprise in a moment. Hello. Been very busy the last 2 days with nice weather and everything. Been able to go outside, cut the L trim, everything. So even though you've only just seen the clips, I actually filmed them a couple of days ago. But we're getting somewhere. I don't know what to show you now. Yeah, go on then. Yeah. There. Looking good, yeah? Cut out the windows from the few minutes ago, what you're listening anyway. Did them corners, didn't I? Cut them corners out. Yeah, cut them corners out. And everything's looking good. Bit of trimming to do. This for the sake of argument. But I've only put this on just to show you. That's how it comes off. Boo. Yeah. Bit of white glue there, I don't know if you can see it or not. Comes off easy enough, a white spirit. Where the light goes, that's soaking in some bleach, so you can get it a bit cleaner. Yeah, so, what do you think? Comment below. Hey, yeah, I feel I'm chuffed, I'm absolutely over the moon. Chuffed with it. There's not much I can say really. Oh yeah, I've got a lot to do yet. this here, it goes like an angle to there. There's them bits in corner there, look. I don't know if you can see it or not. Oh, don't matter about them. They're getting hidden. Yeah. Oh, I'll tell you what, I'll go and get a bit of trim now and I'll show you what it's going to look like. Sandra's been, because there's some trim that goes around here. And the material that she bought for cushions, she's done all the trim, same as this strip here. I'll go get a piece of trim and I'll just put it on, just show you what it's going to look like. Right. Ta-da! Look alright, won't it? Obviously that's going to push right back. Well, I don't want to... Yeah, there's some pieces and all that go down there. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Hey. Yeah. Bit of zoom. A bit different from beginning, isn't it? Right, I know I'm boring you now, because I'm getting bored.